Radhe Radhe. So this will be your reading for the month of September. I'll go from Aries to Pisces and I'll see how will be your whole month in terms of your relationship and career. Okay. Let's see for Aries. Aries, how will be your relationship and career in general. Relationship wise, I'm seeing you absolutely into peace, no struggles, nothing, everything is going with the flow, whatever you had planned. It's all okay. People are supporting you. You're also fulfilling your responsibilities, Aries, in the month of September. And when it comes to your career, you're enjoying your time at your workplace. Reason can be anything. Okay, maybe there are chances that your ex-colleagues may visit your workplace. It can be a scenario. Okay, and some people were visiting from your past, some past people visiting you. It can be in your relationship also. Okay, Aries, this is the overall theme for the month of September. So overall you are enjoying the month a lot in your at your workplace also, whatever you're doing, and in your relationship also. There will be somebody who is visiting you this month. High possibilities are there. Okay. Aries, all the very best. Let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how will be your month of September in terms of your relationship, Taurus, relationship and career. Taurus, relationship wise, career wise. Relationship wise, it's awesome because you are helping others, others are helping you. You are being a little confused when it comes to career. There can be certain options that you are trying to find out which is best for you, how to proceed further. There are possibilities that you are having certain plans in your career and you don't know how to proceed further. There are chances that you may start contemplating or seeking help from people around you. And I'm seeing your family, your friends, everybody supporting you when you are into this confused state of mind. And overall, this is a very good month, a decision making month for Taurus. You people be very mindful while choosing your options. Options can be like if you're working somewhere, you may be having other options. If you're not having any jobs right now, you may be having more than one option to choose from. This is your theme for the month of September, Taurus. Let me see for Geminis. How will be your relationships in general and career point of view, sir? Let me see. See, relationship wise, Geminis, I'm seeing that you are maintaining a little distance from people or the situation which is no more serving you. There have been some people who have not given you or reciprocated you. Okay, so you are maintaining some boundaries. It's there is some challenging situation that you're just taking a stand कि नहीं, मुझसे जितना होगा मुझे उतना ही करना है, nothing more than that. Okay, and there are so many responsibilities also that you are carrying, a challenging phase in terms of relationship, because there are few people you are entertaining, there are a few you are not at all entertaining in this particular month. Absolutely maintaining boundaries. Okay, and when it comes to your finances, your career, उसमें मुझे clearly दिख रहा है कि you are trying to either think about or execute some another source of income, about having some another source of income, or about your stability, because there can be one possibility that few of you those who are watching, एक job आपका हो सकता है stable हो, and you must be thinking about something else कि you want something in your career for your peace of mind. You don't want to rush anything. शांति चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि काम कर रहे हैं always anxious, always into anxiety, target नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, नहीं. You want peace and you're looking for it and you're finding out a way. Although the month is good for you, Geminis, थोड़ा सा मैं mentally परेशान देख रही हूँ, facing some challenges in your relationships. Can be a person also that you are maintaining boundaries, Geminis. Overall, the month is good. Let me see for Cancerians now. Cancerians, let me see how will be your relationships and your career in general in the month of September. Relationship wise, I'm seeing it's super, absolutely super, because I'm seeing someone supporting you. It can be from your family, it can be your partner, and it can be meeting your partner. You're looking for your stability. Things are very grounded, specifically in your relationship aspect. Cancerians. And when it comes to your career, career में तो I'm seeing you just giving in जितनी जरूरत उतना दिया. Suppose you are working ऐसे वो 10 to 5 वाला job if you are having, आजकल होता नहीं in general. If you are working like that, तो उस बस nothing should be done beyond that. बस हो गया. You are trying to focus more on your family. It's nothing like you're not focused on your work, but work life में शायद आपने previously बहुत कुछ कर लिया है, बहुत कुछ अपनी कंपनी को दिया है, बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स लगाए हुए हैं, उसका रिजल्ट्स आपको मिल भी रहा है. यू आर एट पीस एंड डोंट वांट टू पुट आई मीन मच इनटू दैट इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर. हो सकता है फेस्टिवल्स का टाइम है, इस वजह से भी यू आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन योर रिलेशनशिप्स. ओके कैंसरियंस, ओवरऑल इट्स अ गुड मंथ. लेट मी सी फॉर लियोस. लियोस, हाउ विल बी लियोस अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, हाउ विल बी योर relationships in general, Leos, and your career. Leo's relationship wise, we are having some trust issues on people. Trust issues specifically in bringing something back. There can be somebody from the past who can approach you. It can be a relative also with whom आपकी बात ही नहीं हो रही है and the person is trying to approach you. It can be your ex-partner also. And you're trusting the situation or you're maintaining some boundaries. You're so much into your mind. And when it comes to your career is awesome because I'm seeing you more focused on your career rather than your relationship को आप अपने थोड़ा सा ना जैसे it's not with your parents, everything is fine there, वहाँ पे सब कुछ ठीक है, but there is somebody in particular. हो सकता है relationship में हो सकता है I told you can be your ex, can be your partner, just you are having trust issues and you're overthinking a lot these things and you don't, and that is why you are not willing to put much effort into thinking about those particular aspects. Okay, you are more focused on your career and there is somebody at your workplace who is helping you a lot, can be a colleague, can be your senior. Overall the month is good for you, Leos. Now let me see for Virgos, your relationships in general and your career wise. Virgos, relationship wise, I'm seeing that something had happened in the past which has hurt your either self-respect, your ego, and you're trying to mend the situation, you're trying to bring healing to the situation. कुछ चीजें हैं जिसको आप लेट गो करके एक होता है ना नई शुरुआत करना, उसके बारे में सोचना कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, अगर किसी ने कुछ कह दिया कोई बात नहीं, I'll just let it go, and you are absolutely focusing on the positivity of the situation, as I mean the positive side of the situation. हर इंसान के अंदर अच्छी बातें भी होती हैं, बुरी बातें भी होती हैं, है ना. तो मैं आपको देख रही हूँ रिलेशनशिप एस्पेक्ट में आप उन चीजों को लेट गो कर रहे हैं जो नेगेटिविटी और टेंशन वरीज आपके लिए लेकर आए इसके पहले. ठीक है, वी आर ट्राइंग टू हील सम सिचुएशन विद एनी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन ऑल्सो. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करियर, यू मे हैव सम गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज in the month of September. There are high chances. It can be, या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप जो काम पहले से कर रहे हैं उसमें कुछ add-ons हो जाए and you really wanted it. Badly you wanted it. This is going to happen. There are high possibilities. Virgos, all the very best. Let me see for Libras. Libras, how will be your Libras? How will be your relationships in general in the month of September, Libras? And your career aspect. Relationship wise, I'm absolutely seeing you in the fulfillment mode, full on contentment. सब कुछ ठीक है, you are balancing everything. हो सकता है पास्ट में कुछ फिनेंसेस को लेकर आपने स्ट्रगल किया हो, I mean बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा हो गया होगा इधर उधर, and that is you're feeling that is now being balanced in the month of September. शांति है उस एस्पेक्ट में, and your family members are also supporting you, friends are also supporting you, absolute peace in that aspect. And when it comes to your career, that is awesome. But the overall Libra, this is the best read I have got till now. When it comes to your career, I can clearly see you may have some meetings with your seniors जहाँ पे कुछ meetings का जो outcome होगा that will be in your favor. You may get some rewards, recognition, कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है. High possibilities are there. Libras, all the very best. Let me see for Scorpios. Scorpios, how will be your relationship wise and career wise? Scorpios, relationship wise, you are absolutely focused on yourself. No nonsense. Scorpios, you are not tolerating any nonsense in the relationship. Doesn't matter the person or the people belong to your family or your partner, your ex, anybody. You are absolutely focused on yourself. Excellent, very good, Scorpios. Because यू आर मोर फोकस्ड ऑन योर करियर. आपने बहुत किया है रिलेशनशिप में. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर कटिंग पीपल आउट ऑफ योर लाइफ. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. बट इट्स लाइक आपको लगता है कि टाइम है कि आप अपने आप पे ध्यान दें ज्यादा. एंड आई एम सीइंग मोर फोकस्ड ऑन योर करियर बिकॉज देयर कैन बी अ वेरी ह्यूज अचीवमेंट जिसके लिए आप काफी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे. वो टाइम अब आ रहा है. ठीक है स्कॉर्पियोस. ठीक है. कुछ पास्ट में कुछ आपके कुछ मैनिफेस्टेशंस थे करियर को लेकर स्पेसिफिकली. ओके, वो चीजें फुलफिल होने की हाई पॉसिबिलिटीज है. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट स्कॉर्पियोस. नाउ लेट मी सी फॉर सैज. सैज, हाउ विल बी the month of September for you in terms of your relationships and career? Sagittarius, relationship wise, you are absolute into magician mode. मतलब you're having all tools to manifest anything you want for your family. There are chances that you're purchasing, you're planning something huge. You have been planning and now you feel like कि चलो अब आपका बजट इतना है कि आप अपनी फैमिली के लिए कुछ कर सकते हो. बजट छोटा भी हो सकता है, बड़ा भी हो सकता है, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ओके, आप करना क्या चाह रहे हैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए. काफी टाइम से कुछ प्लानिंग्स हो सकती है कि आपकी हो और वो चीजें फुलफिल नहीं हो पा रही थी. एंड नाउ यू आर इनटू दैट स्टेज कि अब मैं कर सकती हूँ अपनी फैमिली के लिए, कर सकता हूँ अपनी फैमिली के लिए ये चीज. यू आर एब्सोल्युटली एंजॉइंग द, एवरीबडी इन योर फैमिली इज एंजॉइंग. एंड यू आर बीइंग अ लिटिल मैनिपुलेटिव आल्सो, पॉजिटिवली मैनिपुलेटेड टुवर्ड्स योर फैमिली. इसका मतलब होता है खुश रखना सबको. जहां पर आपने बहुत ज्यादा नहीं भी किया है वहां बातों से खुश रखना, है ना. Overall, it's excellent. And when it comes to your career, Sagittarius, I'm seeing you taking a leap of faith. It can be a new direction in your career. High possibilities are there. Or if it's not a new direction, it can be any new project. हो सकता है आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट मिले नया, या ऐसे होता है ना टेंशन फ्री होकर, टेंशन लेकर काम नहीं करना, वो वाली चीजें एकदम फन वाले मोड में. आई एम सीइंग यू very happy. Maybe festival time hai, you are giving more time to your family. High possibilities are there. Okay, Saj, all the very best. God bless you. Let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, how will be your relationships in general in the month of September and career? Relationship wise, you are absolutely into peace. You are fulfilling your responsibilities. बहुत अच्छे से अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभा रहे हैं. You people are very hardworking, you know. Okay, Capricorns, career में you are enjoying your time. मतलब overall after Libra, this is one of the best week that I got. Okay, so responsibility भी आप निभा रहे हैं. You are balancing everything. टूर हो सकता है, कुछ टूर प्लान हो सकता है फैमिली के साथ कहीं बाहर जाना इधर उधर, और या अगर फैमिली के साथ कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना तो enjoying your time with family. And when it comes to your career also, I'm not seeing you into stress. आराम से काम चल रहा है, just going with the flow and चीजें बहुत स्मूथ है. कुछ चीजें हैं जो जिन एस्पेक्ट्स को लेकर आपने बहुत स्ट्रगल किया है, बहुत स्ट्रेस किया है पास्ट में, वो चीजें अब आपने अपनी मेहनत से उन चीजों को आप ट्रैक पर ले आए हैं. Okay, all the very best. Overall, this month is good for you, Capricorns. Let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, how will be your relationships in the month of September? Aquarius, sorry, I got two cards. I'll keep it. And in terms of your relationship, Aquarius, see, when it comes to your relationship, Aquarius, I'm seeing you stalking somebody, or there a possibility that somebody is stalking you. कुछ stalking energy आ रही है, virtual stalking. Virtual stalking क्या होती है? Virtual stalking होती है watching somebody on social media, or you are being watched by somebody on social media, and you'll get to know this. Okay, and this is nothing negative. This is something that you will like. Suppose you are watching somebody you like and you are seeing the progress of the person, or everything is very smooth. Maybe कि देखो festival time है Aquarius. This is a festival time. हो सकता है आपने कुछ pics upload किया है festivals का, and somebody you like is you like a lot. Maybe आपका crush, आपका partner जो उसको like कर दे रहा है, क्योंकि ये चीजें something, this is around some virtual मतलब कुछ वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड का है. वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड वही होता है, इंटरनेट होता है, सोशल मीडियाज होता है. ओके, एंड यू एवरीथिंग इज गुड ओवरऑल. ठीक है, एंड यू आर वेरी कूल माइंडेड व्हेन इट कम्स टू रिलेशनशिप. सब स्मूथ है, कोई इश्यूज नहीं है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर करियर, Aquarius, I'm seeing you learning something new, Aquarius. हो सकता है कोई आपको मेंटोर करे, हो सकता है आपको बहुत पहले से कुछ नया सीखने की जरूरत है, and you are trying to you found a mentor. Maybe you'll find a mentor and some guide, and I'm seeing you studying something, doing a lot of research work की energies बहुत ज्यादा आ रही है. सोशल मीडिया पे भी and ऐसे भी in terms of your career also. Overall, your month is good, Aquarius. All the very best. Let me see for Pisces. Finally, for my Pisces, let me see. Pisces, how will be your relationships in general, Pisces, in the month of September? And when it comes to your career, Pisces, relationship wise, absolutely you are फोकस्ड ऑन दिस. पूजा पाठ करते हुए देख रही हूँ आपको, रिश्ते निभाना, वहां पे सब कुछ मेंटेन करना, और किसकी क्या जरूरत है. यू पीपल आर वेरी केयरिंग ना. वाटर साइंस वैसे भी बहुत ज्यादा केयरिंग होते हैं कंपेरेटिवली टू अदर साइंस. एंड यू आर गिविंग टाइम टू योर फैमिली, बहुत अच्छा खासा टाइम, और मे बी फेस्टिवल टाइम इस वजह से भी यू आर फोकस्ड मोर ऑन योर करियर. व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर, I'm so sorry, you're focused more on your family. And when it comes to your career, करियर में तो आई एम सीइंग यू कुछ नहीं, मतलब आपने इतना स्ट्रगल करा हुआ है कुछ रिसेंट पास्ट में. अभी ये मंथ में ना स्पाइसेस आपको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता इनकम कितनी हो रही है. नो, बिकॉज यू आर मोर फोकस्ड ऑन योर फैमिली, रिलेशनशिप्स, फेस्टिवल्स, इन चीजों पे आपका ध्यान है. चलो ठीक है, करियर में जितना सपोज जिनकी फिक्स सैलरी है उनका तो चलो एवरीथिंग इज स्मूथ. जिन लोगों का बिजनेस है या ऐसा कुछ है, दे आर लाइक कुछ नहीं, जितना आ गया, जितने पैसे आ गए उस पर ज्यादा फोकस नहीं करना है. एंड इन रियलिटी व्हेन यू लेट गो ऑफ दिस, व्हेन यू आर होल्डिंग वेरी टाइटली टू समथिंग, और जब आप वो ग्रिप अपना लूज कर देते हैं ना, तो यूनिवर्स आपको देना स्टार्ट कर देता है. ठीक है, तो ओवरऑल मंथ इज सुपर व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर relationship also and career also. So all the very best to all of you. Festival time है, भगवान आप सभी की सारी मनोकामनाएं पूरी करें, सुखी रहें, संपन्न रहें. वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगा, प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो टू अदर्स also. राधे राधे.